Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install PayPal app on your phone. So for that, open up your app store, go to search bar, type in PayPal and search it up. Now as soon as you've done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. Go ahead, tap on it, tap on this little download icon and just have to wait for a while till that blue circle complete. Once it has been completed, it will simply be downloaded and installed in your mobile device right over here, and you're good to go. You will be able to use it to however purpose you would like. It will also be listed right over here likewise in your app selection. Yes, once it's done being downloaded, it will be listed like other apps right over here, as you can see, and that is how you will be able to get your app downloaded and installed on your mobile phone likewise. That's how easy the process is. Make sure to have some patience while it's being downloaded and have the good connection of internet for it to be completed. And that is it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.